In a quiet village by a sparkling river, a curious little girl named Luna loved exploring. One morning, she packed her backpack with snacks and a notebook and tiptoed into the forest beyond the hills. As she wandered, the trees began to whisper her name. Luna, Luna, she heard. Surprised but brave, Luna followed the voices to a glimmering pond, where a golden fish leaped from the water. You are kind and curious, said the fish. The forest's magic is hidden in the silver tree, but the path is full of challenges. Will you help us? I will, Luna exclaimed. First, she met talking rocks that asked tricky riddles. Luna thought carefully and answered them all. Next, she encountered a grumpy troll guarding a bridge. Instead of fighting, Luna made the troll laugh with a funny dance, and he let her pass. Finally, she faced a maze of shimmering flowers, which only parted when she sang a happy, joyful song. At the top of the silver tree, Luna found the magical crystal. When she touched it, the forest burst into rainbow light, and the whispering turned into a cheerful song. Thank you, Luna. You brought our magic back. From that day, Luna became the forest's bravest friend. She returned home with wonderful stories of talking animals, dancing trees, and magical adventures, knowing she had discovered the true magic of courage and kindness. After her magical adventure in the Whispering Forest, Luna couldn't stop thinking about the glowing crystal. One evening, while watching the stars, she noticed tiny floating lanterns drifting across the sky. They weren't ordinary lanterns. They were messages from the forest, calling for her help again. The next morning, Luna followed the lanterns to a hidden glade deep in the forest. There, she met Ori, a small owl with sparkling feathers, who told her that the forest's night magic had gone missing. Without it, the stars would not shine brightly, and the nocturnal animals would be lost. To restore the magic, Luna had to collect 3 enchanted moonstones, hidden in different corners of the forest. The singing cave, guarded by echoes that could confuse anyone. The twisting river, where the water flowed backward. The blooming cliff, where flowers bloomed only at night. Using her courage and cleverness, Luna navigated the challenges. She hummed a tune to guide her through the echoes, built a small raft to float safely on the river, and waited patiently for the night flowers to open. When she gathered all 3 moonstones and placed them under the tallest tree, the night sky lit up with millions of shimmering stars, brighter than ever. Ori and all the forest creatures cheered. Thank you, Luna, Ori hooted. You have saved the night magic. The forest will always shine because of your brave heart. Luna returned home under the sparkling sky, her heart full of wonder. She knew that every time she looked up at the stars, the forest was whispering its thanks.